I was craving spicy garlic chicken and decided to order takeout. But to my surprise, it cost an arm and a leg with today's inflated prices. So I decided to show you how to make this dish at home instead. It's super easy, healthy, and absolutely delicious. The chicken turns out tender, coated in a sticky, savory, and spicy sauce. Hi everyone, I'm Bori. Welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed yet, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It only takes a second but makes a huge difference. Thanks a million. Now, before we start cooking, let's get the ingredients ready. We start by finely chopped 5 cloves of garlics. The goal is to build a flavorful aromatic base. Feel free to adjust the amount of garlic to your liking. Also, finely mince a small piece of ginger. Ginger adds a spicy, citrusy, and slightly sweet note to the dish. As for the green onions, we only need leafy part for garnish purpose. Simply cutting it thinly. Now the chicken. We are using 17 ounces of chicken thigh. You can substitute chicken breast if you prefer, but chicken thigh is juicier and more flavorful. Simply cut it into 2-inch cubes. Next, we are going to marinate this chicken with 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, a small pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of red chili flakes. I am going to use hand here, mixing it up. Then set it aside for 10 minutes. The chicken has been marinated for 10 minutes and now it's ready for adding 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix thoroughly to make sure that every piece of the chicken coated with the cornstarch. And we are ready to cook. We start heating the pan over medium-high heat. Add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Add garlic, ginger. Saute this for 15 seconds to release the aroma and flavors. Smells amazing here. Now it's time to add chicken, marinate chicken. Cook this for 4 to 5 minutes. This chicken has been cooked thoroughly. Next, we are going to add dry red chili. Where we are using 3 chilies here. Each chili cut into 3 pieces. And the seeds have been removed, so there are not much spiciness added to the dish. A splash of sriracha hot chili sauce. Adjust the amount to your liking. Sprinkle some white sesame seed. This is rolled sesame seed. Give it a quick stir. Add half a teaspoon of sugar just to balance the taste. Now it's done. Add the green onion and give it a quick stir. The final dish looks amazing and smells absolutely delicious. Congratulations! Now that you know how to make this amazing dish for yourself, your family, and your friends. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and share with your families and friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss my next upload. I'm excited to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.